mask. Take a bright orange piece of card and draw the outline of Spike's face and eyes. Cut out your mask shape carefully using a pair of scissors. You can ask a grown-up to help you with this part. Oh, and remember to cut the eye holes too so you can see through. Then, using some white foam, cut out the shape of Spike's horns and teeth. Spike is famous for his purple spikes, so cut these out from a piece of purple foam. Finally, cut out his eyebrows from light orange foam. When you have all of your parts, you can start sticking them on. Using a glue stick, attach Spike's eyebrows, nose horn, spikes, horns, and finally teeth to your mask. Draw on his nose using an orange pen, attach a lollipop stick, and your Spike mask will be complete!